The journey of our Amla product starts in these pristine orchards, bathed in the morning sun. To ensure the highest quality, our farmers carefully lay tarpaulins before the harvest begins.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos.
The journey begins with the finest Amla, packed with natural vitamin C, straight from the orchard.
Send the next one over.
Here it comes. Watch your step. All right, perfectly aligned.
Our freshly harvested Amla leaves the orchard, heading to our modern processing facility to be transformed into healthy candy and juice.
The journey begins as fresh Amla fruits arrive at our modern processing plant, ready to be transformed into healthy juice and candy.
The vibrant green Amla fruits are carefully sorted before being prepared for our famous juice and candy.
Here at the plant, the Amla undergoes a thorough washing process, ensuring cleanliness and quality for our range of products. The green Amla fruits are meticulously rinsed with clear water as they travel up the inclined conveyor belt, ensuring optimal hygiene.
The first step ensures purity. Our fresh Amla fruits are thoroughly washed by high-pressure water jets and rotating brushes.
In the first stage, fresh Amla berries are meticulously cleaned, using industrial brushes and high-pressure water jets. Here at the Amla processing plant, our fresh fruits undergo a rigorous, high-pressure water rinse to ensure maximum cleanliness.
In the drying station, powerful air knives gently remove moisture, preserving the natural goodness of the Amla.
After a thorough wash, the Amla berries are precisely dried, using high-pressure air jets, maintaining their natural goodness.
Utilizing advanced optical technology, we precisely sort the fresh Amla, removing any imperfections to ensure premium quality in every batch.
State-of-the-art optical sorters meticulously inspect every single Amla. High-speed air jets.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures only the finest Amla berries are selected for our juices and candies.
The production process begins as the freshly harvested Amla is carefully sorted on our conveyor system.
The journey begins as the freshly harvested Amla fruits are carefully sorted on our dual conveyor system. The Amla fruits are carefully washed and then punctured. ready for the extraction process in our state-of-the-art facility.
Here at the processing plant, the amla is carefully washed, sorted, and prepared for juicing and candy production.
The journey begins as the finest amla fruits are delivered to the processing line for cleaning and sorting.
Here, the amla segments are gently blanched in steaming hot water, a crucial step to ensure the highest quality and flavor for our juices and candies.
Here, the amla is gently steamed, preserving its nutrients before moving along the conveyor.
The freshly steamed amla segments move along the conveyor belt to the next stage of production. Our modern facility extracts the vibrant amla juice with precision, ensuring a healthy and natural product of the highest quality. The amla pomace is efficiently separated and moved along the conveyor belt for further processing. In our state-of-the-art facility, fresh amla slices move efficiently along the conveyor belt, ready for juice extraction.
The process begins with carefully measured sugar flowing into our state-of-the-art mixing tanks to create the perfect blend.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures that every piece of amla is perfectly coated in the rich, flavorful syrup.
Rich in vitamin C, our amla syrup is carefully extracted, ensuring maximum purity and flavor. The fresh amla slices are coated in our signature masala syrup before drying. The amla berries are carefully sliced and arranged on trays before moving through our state-of-the-art inspection process.
The vibrant, healthy amla juice flows directly from the processing unit into the collection tanks, captured at peak freshness. processing begins as the freshly extracted juice is moved into large stainless steel tanks for initial blending. The difference. The fresh amla berries are carefully processed, ensuring the vibrant, healthy juice retains maximum nutrients. Our advanced process ensures maximum purity. We infuse vital vitamin C.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures that every bottle of Amla juice is filled with precision, locking in the natural goodness and health benefits.
Every bottle of our Amla juice is carefully sealed on our state-of-the-art bottling line, ensuring peak freshness from farm to table.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every bottle of Amla juice is perfectly clean and safe. The automated conveyor system ensures every bottle of our healthy Amla juice is perfectly sealed and ready for you.
The Amla slices are carefully dehydrated in industrial ovens until perfectly crisp.
We carefully inspect every slice of dried Amla to ensure the highest quality for our masala candy and juice.
The dried Amla slices are efficiently loaded into the stainless steel machinery, ready to be transformed into our popular candy and juice products. As the drum rotates, the Amla slices are perfectly coated in our secret blend of red spices.
Here in the mixing drum, our fresh Amla slices are generously coated with a vibrant blend of traditional. In these state-of-the-art mixing drums, the fresh Amla slices are perfectly coated with our state-of-the-art facility processes the Amla into delicious, healthy candy and juice.
Next, the candied Amla slices are coated in our signature blend of chili flakes and savory spices. Rich in vitamin C, these spiced Amla slices are moving through our state-of-the-art facility, ensuring quality and taste.
The freshly spiced Amla moves along the conveyor into the drying oven, a crucial step in creating our popular masala candy.
After drying, the spiced Amla slices are precisely sorted by size and quality on our high-speed production line.
Utilizing state-of-the-art technology, we ensure every pack of our delicious Amla masala candy is precisely 100 grams. Our delicious Amla masala candy is carefully sorted and packaged right here in our state-of-the-art facility.
Utilizing modern technology, we perfectly seal the nutritional goodness of our spiced Amla, ensuring quality and flavor in every bite.
Each pouch of Amla masala is sealed with care, ensuring freshness and quality.
Perfect aroma and texture. The taste is incredibly fresh and balanced. This is ready.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every box of Amla juice is scanned for quality before shipment.
Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes advanced robotics to ensure efficient and precise handling of all Amla products. Automated systems guarantee the freshness of our Amla juice and candy, moving seamlessly from the processing plant to the loading docks.
Once packaged, the pallets are automatically shrink-wrapped, ensuring our Amla products remain fresh and secure during transit.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art Amla processing facility, where we transform fresh harvest into healthy products.
Our state-of-the-art warehouse ensures the efficient and careful handling of the finished Amla candy and juice products.
We ensure every carton of our healthy Amla juice is securely loaded for transit.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures the freshest Amla for our candies and juices, delivered straight from the farm.
Our state-of-the-art facility transforms the finest Amla into health, natural products.
Our Amla berries are sourced globally, transported efficiently across the open ocean to ensure the freshest ingredients for our juice and candy.
Experience the goodness of Amla Masala candy. Rich in vitamin C and completely natural, it's the healthy choice for you and your family.
Absolutely delicious. So fresh.